My name is Muhammad Usman. I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Today I will tell you about past perfect negative tense. For recognition in the end of sentence, we use चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. Helping verb. We use helping verb. Helping verb is had, that is used in past perfect sentence. For negative sentence, we use have, we use not after helping verb. मतलब के had के बाद जो है not इस्तेमाल होता है. There are some example. First is he had not played cricket. वो cricket नहीं खेल चुका था. Number 2 is he had not drunk water. वो पानी नहीं पी चुका था. Number 3 is she had not gone to home. वो घर नहीं जा चुकी थी. Number 4 is the PM had rung the bell before I arrived. चपरासी मेरे पहुंचने से पहले घंटी बजा चुका था. The last is that they had not eaten the food. वो खाना नहीं खा चुके थे. That's from my side. Thank you.
Alright, overall it's very good. थोड़ा सा facial expressions में उनको calm down करें. Variety of facial expressions होने चाहिए और जब आप बोलते हैं सर हिलाएं, कंधे हिलाएं, body language को थोड़ा सा further use करें. That will be fine. Good job. Thank you.